They always had the most expensive equipment of their day, especially the coffee machine, which was a Vittorio Arduino Torino silver coffee machine with a big eagle on the top, and that was always an attraction in the shop. The Italian food wasn't to their liking, unfortunately.
In the early days, it was a question of tea, coffee and oxo and a pie.
As the years went by, they got a taste for European food.
We've gone on now to provide for the youngsters of today. We've gone into the fast food side of it.
Buonissimo. Right, we're going into the Italian Cafe Museum now. It means a lot to us because it takes us back to when we were all together as one big family in the shop. Now we have the mechanical till. Makes a lovely sound. There we've got some lovely showcases. There was one time when I was making coffee behind the counter and whistling away La Donna Mobile. And on I went almost through the whole aria. And my brother was the other end of the counter and he said, "Aldo, what do you think you're doing? You giving a concert or serving a customer?" So that was quite funny.
It's sad really, it's just Aldo and myself that are left here in the cafe now. We would have liked our children to come into it. Hopefully we'll find someone that'll take it on, and nothing would please Aldo and myself more because it is part of the community.
We've got a little bit of Italy in Wales, I feel, which is very nice. Saluti Renato, eh? Grazie.